Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to copy my Telegram wallet address. So basically you just have to open your Telegram and then go to wallet. If you haven't created one, then you must create your wallet. And then here on your wallet, you see this time space beta. So basically, this is your wallet address. So if you have transactions that requires time as your token, then all you have to do is open your time space beta and you will see ton space address, and all you have to do is to copy this one. But talking about how to copy my Telegram wallet address, and then the process, or it depending on whether you want to get the wallet address of someone else or yourself, or a bot generated address for a particular service. There are a various process involved in finding a wallet address on Telegram. But the very basic way is you just have to locate the address of your own wallet. So, step one, just open the Telegram application and navigate to the bot or service that provides wallet functionality. So, to access your wallet, which is this one, use the command or button that bot has provided. Some often use commands are slash wallet, and it will take you directly to your wallet address. There you will see your address, such as your ton space address. Usually the bot will provide your wallet address, which you can copy and use to get money. So basically that's it. You just have to open your Telegram and then use the command or button provided by the bot to access your wallet. Type slash wallet and then address and then receive. Then you will see your Telegram wallet address. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.